I welcome you to my grammar class. Today, the topic is adverb clauses. You know, subordinate clauses are three types. One is noun clauses, relative clauses, and adverb clauses. In my previous classes, we have already discussed about noun clauses and relative clauses. Now, we shall discuss about adverb clauses. What is adverb clauses and what is the position and what is its functions. So now see what is adverb clauses. You see the blackboard. Some subordinate clauses are called adverb clauses because they work like adverbs in the sentences. Again, some subordinate clauses are called adverb clauses because they work like adverbs in the sentences. What is the work of adverb? Adverb modifies the verb and modifies the adjective. Again, you see, adverb clause modifies a verb or adjective used in MC. Next, it may come before or after the MC. Now you see the examples. You look at the blackboard. For example, I write some of the sentences. First sentence, it always rains after I have watered the plants in the garden. Here you see, it always rains. It always rains. Rains is the verb. If you ask when, here, it always rains. When? After I have watered the plants in the garden. So, which is the adverb clauses? Adverb after I have watered the plants in the garden is the adverb clause. And it always rains, main clause. This adverb clause modifies the verb rains in main clause. This is adverb of time. It always rains when after I have watered the plants in the garden. Next, they arrived where nobody had set food before. They arrived where? Where nobody had set food before. Here, this verb, main clause, arrived. The adverb clause, where nobody had said food before. Main clause, they arrived. So, the adverb clause, where nobody had said food before, modifies the verb arrived. So, here, adverb clause, where nobody had said food before, is adverb of a place. Next, you see sentence C. Do it as your teacher showed you. As your teacher showed you, adverb clause. It modifies the verb do in main clause. Here, do it, main clause. As your teacher showed you, adverb clause. Do it how? as your teacher showed you. This adverb clause, as your teacher showed you, is a adverb of a manner. Next you see, I wrote in the diary so that I would not forget. I wrote in the diary, main clause, so that I would not forget, adverb clause. I wrote in the diary. What purposes? For what purposes? So that I would not forget. So, wrote is the verb in main clause. I wrote in the diary. Why? What purpose? So that I would not forget. So that I would not forget is the adverb of a purpose. You see, I could not go to the fair because I was busy. I could not go to the fair, main clause, because I was busy, adverb clause. Here, because I was busy is the adverb of a reason. Next you see question number 2. The sentence is, the pupils worked harder than we had thought. Than stands for comparison. Pupils worked harder. Main clause, than we had thought. Adverb clause. Than we had thought stands for adverb of a comparison. They studied hard, although they were tired. Next you will see, they studied hard, main clause, although they were tired, adverb clause. They were tired. They should not study hard, but they studied hard. So, although they were tired, adverb of a concession, contrast. Next you see, if you study hard, you will be successful. If you study hard, you will be successful. Otherwise, you meant to be successful. So, it is, if you study hard, it is adverb clause. You will be successful, main clause. If you study hard, it is a condition. So, if you study hard is adverb of a condition. Next, dear students, now you see kind of adverb clauses. There are so many kinds of adverb clauses. Adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner, adverb of comparison, adverb of region, adverb of purpose, adverb of result, adverb of condition, adverb of contrast. So, in the adverb of place, you ask questions after the verb where, and subordinate conjunctions used as adverb of place, that is where. In adverb of time, you ask questions after the verb when, and subordinate conjunctions which are used before the adverb of time, when, whenever, before, after, since, till, until, by the time, as soon as. You see, adverb of manner. The question asked in the adverb of manner is how. The subordinate conjunctions used before the adverb of manner as if, as though. Next you see adverb of comparison. The question asked after the verb to what extent. So, and also the subordinate conjunctions which are used before the adverb of comparison are as, than, as, so as. Next you see adverb of region. The question asked after the verb why, and subordinate conjunctions used before the adverb clause because, as, since. Next we see adverb of purpose. The question asked after the verb for what purpose. The subordinate conjunctions are used before the adverb of purpose, so that, in order that. Next you see adverb of result. The question asked adverb of result after the verb to what extent, and the subordinate conjunctions are used before the adverb of result, so that, such that. Next you see adverb of condition. The question asked after the verb under what condition, and also subordinate conjunctions used before the adverb of condition if, unless. Next you see adverb of contrast. So the subordinate conjunctions used before the adverb of contrast, though, although. Now see, dear student, now you see some rules for making adverb clauses. You see, no sooner, omit as soon as. There is a sentence, as soon as the rain started, I ran into a room. You can use no sooner in place of as soon as. The sentence will be, the no sooner did the rain start, I ran into a room. Next you see another sentence, as if, omit, one might think. We can use as if in the place of one might think. The man walked with irregular steps. One might think he was drunk. You can use the man walked with irregular steps as if he was drunk. Now you use as if in place of one might think. Next you see though, although, omit, bought and ate. The man was beaten by the police, but he was innocent. You can replace bought by using although and though. By using although and though, the sentence will be, although though the man was innocent, he was beaten by the police. Dear students, now the grammar class today about the adverb clauses is over. So you should wait for the next class. Thank you all for watching my grammar class. Again, thank you.